Today we have a 2011 Honda Accord with the 2.4 liter engine, and we're going to be replacing the valve cover gasket. All right, so we're going to start with removing this oil dipstick. And now we're going to remove the cover for the ignition coils. You have four 10mm bolts. You also have a 10mm bolt holding down this bracket for the power steering pump hose. Go ahead and remove that. All right, now we're gonna remove the ignition coils. These are 10mm also. All right, now we're gonna remove this hose right here. And we have two 10mm on the side of the engine holding this bracket together. And we have 6 nuts holding down the valve cover. So we'll go ahead and pop those off. All right, now you want to go ahead and move this wire harness out the way. So now we're going to go ahead and move this wire harness out the way to give us some space to pull this valve cover straight up. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this engine brace just to create more space for me to pull the valve cover up because it's getting pretty tight over here, but not much space. Now we're gonna pull this old gasket off. We're gonna take some brake cleaner and a rag and clean the surface. And now you wanna make sure to remove the leftover gasket maker from the old gasket. And make sure the surface is smooth and clean. All right, now we're gonna prep the valve cover with the new gaskets and tube seals. So first what you wanna do is remove these grommets where the valve cover screws down at. There's 6 of them. So these go in with the open side facing up. So in order to get them out, we got to hammer them out from the inside. So what I would usually do is take a flathead screwdriver, work your way around until it falls out completely. All right, so I got all the old tube seals out. Now we're gonna put the rest of the new ones in. So now we're gonna add some black gasket maker. So 4 spots on the engine. We have 2 spots on this side of the engine where the engine block and timing cover connect right here. And also we have 2 spots on this side where basically the elevation of the engine changes. So you wanna make sure it's sealed off properly. If you don't need too much, maybe that's enough for 1 spot. Pop the ignition coils back on. These 2 bolts that came from this side, so we're gonna put those back in. Replace these air hose. Push that back on. That's how you replace the valve cover gasket on this 2011 Honda Accord, the 2.4 liter engine. It was a pretty simple job. The most difficult part was the spark plug tube seals, just because the rubber was pretty hard and it was hard to get it out of the slot. But we got it through. If you like the video, hit the like button. If it was helpful, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.